Okay, let's talk about user list. User list, all you gotta do is click on it. Up will pop up all the people that are in your FittleBug application, whether they were there by them registering or whether they might have come over from a different program through an API, they will all be in there. You'll notice if it came over from Service Monster, if there is no email that came over with that particular person, we assign a bogus fake email because you cannot have a null value come over. So it's not going anywhere because there's no .com or whatever, but we basically take the first name, last name at Service Monster and to get it into the program. So this will be a list of all your people. There'll be multiple pages, I'm sure. It'll tell you their email, or if they don't have an email, correct. Creation date, it'll tell you whether they are considered an admin in the program, like maybe the owner or the administrator of your company. Whether they're active, which you can deactivate a particular person, which turns them off and they won't be able to get back into the FittleBug. And the last column is super user. Super users it's a unique feature within FittleBug that allows certain groups of people, super users, to be able to see categories, subcategories, and so forth that the public cannot see. So if you have a group of property managers that you do work for or something like that, we can make them a super user to where you can have hidden categories and so forth specifically for them. Now, the other thing that it does is as a person wanting to book you for your services, super users are not required to put down a deposit if you require regular consuming public to put down a deposit to secure your services. A super user can bypass that. So maybe a property manager you do work with and then you bill at the end of the month. It would be a great example. The last column is the referral credit. This is part of the Save a Friend Effort program. If somebody were to utilize the one-click social media referral tool we call SAFE, and their friends were to become a client of yours, the original referrer, let's just say it was Donnie Trump, would get a credit, and it would show up right here. If in the event somebody said, yeah, Donnie Trump called you up and said, Donnie Trump said I should call you, you got a great company, whatever, and you want to give Donnie a reward, simply click Edit, go over here, change that to a 1, click Update, and now the next time Donnie Trump logs into FittleBug, he will have a credit worth whatever it is you assigned a credit to be worth in the SAFE program. But this is where you'll see how many credits people have and so forth. And of course, you can edit them and you can even delete them out should you desire. And then you can even export them to be used in other programs or wherever you want. So if you're looking for like a searching tool, looking for everybody named Steve or everybody who, if I put Steve in there, contains the word Steve, you'll see that all of these different people in here contain the word Steve. To get back out and to all of them, you just go no filter and it pops back out. So there you go. There's the user list. It'll tell you how many people you have in the program and so forth.